Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Ankita. I hope you all are doing well. So it's raining here and the weather is just amazing. So I feel it's a very beautiful day today. Let's see what angels would like to tell you. What are the messages for you? Death card. Something is going to end. Something new is going to start, which was not serving you is going to end. Things are going to change. There will be sudden change. You are going to heal and change yourself is what I'm getting. A change you were not expecting, but it is in a good way, like a good change which will bring you happiness, which will bring you a new beginning basically. I feel someone is coming towards you who sees you as like they value you basically. They value whatever you do for yourself, for your family. Yeah. So you felt stuck, you felt that things are not moving. You felt like situations are not changing or changing for better. You are feeling that you are stuck in that emotions or you're stuck in that situation for a very long time, but things are going to change. There's a new beginning, a new start. Death is when things end, but there is always a new start, a fresh beginning. Yeah. You just be focused is what I'm getting. Focus on yourself, focus on what you're doing. If it is in the relationship, focus on yourself, focus on how you can improve the relationship. If you are going through a breakup of or things might have ended, there is a new beginning. Right now you might feel a little stuck, but yes, there is a new beginning. Maybe a new person, or a reunion with the ex, but this time you uh, you know you both have to put in the hard work. So a relationship is never 50-50. It can be 80-20. So both have to understand, both have to communicate, both have to value each other, both have to put in the hard work in the relationship. See. And yes, so with the all the emotions, you also have to look back to your past mistakes so that you don't repeat the same patterns. Someone who is younger, things will vanish away. See, like these clouds are feeling like they'll vanish away. So if if you felt stuck, if you felt that everything has ended, once again there will be a lot of love, value, efforts in the relationship. Things will change. You need to be very, like, yes, you need to think with your heart, but also sometimes you need to, if you are in a toxic relationship, if the relationship is not working, you know then you need to think from your mind. The opposite person is, I feel they are also thinking, like it's a head over heart thing. Are you going to the gym? Is it like someone you met in the gym is what I'm getting? Red color is important. Things are going to change within the next 12 to 13 days is what I'm getting. Yes, 12 to 13 days. or 15 days max. 15 days things will change. You need to heal yourself, you know. So for the healing you might feel very drained, but healing is the most important thing right now, because then only you'll be able to focus either in the new relationship, or either if you want to restart the relationship with a new beginning, with a fresh start. It's a fresh start, very new, a very what you say, it's a like a baby step. So for that you have to go through this, so that you can value it. The red color is important, I mentioned it. Maybe you will notice birds. It's raining, so it's raining today and it's a very beautiful weather as well. You might notice birds flying. Maybe at night you might notice stars around. Of course, not in the polluted areas. There's very less chance to see stars in a polluted area. But yes, you might notice star in, like, in your day. So yes, things will change. Right now it is time for healing. Okay, so thank you guys. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel as well. Thank you.